Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Isaac Carlino Family Entertainment. Today's video is a little bit different. I finally got a microphone for you guys to finally hear me nice and better. We're going to go upstairs on a little house tour. I will do a gift haul tomorrow. I hope you all had Merry Christmas. The best gift I got, one of the best gifts I got this year is this one. But we will do like a longer gift haul. So as you come up these stairs, you can see, you can kind of see over here. Over here is my brother's room. Over here, my brother's room. Why? Over here, my room. What do you guys want to see in my room? Actually, we're not gonna go in here because it's boring. Over here is the bathroom, which I'm getting ready to put on the light for. I'm getting ready to put on the light. I'm gonna put on the light. Yep, so as you can see, it's all this. What do you guys think? I like it. Let me know some of your favorite Christmas gifts you guys got down below. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. We love you all. This is called a small house tour. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, turn on post notifications. Vlogmas is almost over. Bye.